you, everyone. First of all, I want to say thank you for the organizing committee for inviting us, me representing APINDO, Asosiasi Pengusaha Indonesia, and also to the honorary people here. I think this is a very great event for us to actually talk about IT manufacturing. Me personally, because this is a critical time for us, because it's almost lunch. I will not take the whole 20 minutes. It's just, I'm gonna just show one video that show actually the importance of agile, and we in APINDO actually, me personally worked as the digital economy team member. So we in the APINDO work together with the government, of course. My chairman, Pak Haryadi Sukamdhani, is talking closely with the government to actually instill regulations related with IT manufacturing, especially in agile. So for now, I'm just going to show you one video, a very simple video, 6 minutes, but this will show you a bit about what is the impact of agile. I think that's one. Second is how we not only in manufacturing actually, because remember in APINDO consists of variety of entrepreneurs, right? Not only in manufacturing. The case that I will be presenting is in banking, in ING, and you will show the impact of how agile is actually enable us to collaborate together between people, process, and also technology. And I think we can play. Thank you.
The world around us is changing rapidly, and the change is driven by technology. Clients have an increasing number of options in contacting those they do business with. Businesses that must be available 24/7 and provide relevant, top-notch, personal service. That applies to all commercial enterprises, including banks. Digital innovators such as Spotify and Netflix are at the forefront of such developments when it comes to tailoring their service to client needs. They have a clear concept of corporate culture and a defined approach to collaboration processes. They believe firmly in the methodology called agile. For ING, they are important sources of inspiration in establishing a new way of working together, a new level of servicing clients. Responsible end-to-end for their own specific customer-related mission. Squads are built around different disciplines, different areas of expertise, and different backgrounds. For example, the squad mortgage application concerns itself with developing and implementing the most customer-friendly and most efficient way of moving from first mortgage submission to final approval. And the squad search engine is dedicated to developing the most customer-friendly and effective search engine for our various digital channels. In squads, you can expect to find colleagues from marketing, product management, formula management, data analysis, user experience, and IT. Sometimes more of the one or more of the other, depending on the nature of the squad's mission. Within each squad, product ownership is assigned to one squad member. This product owner is responsible for what a squad does, is in charge of the backlog and to-do list, and determines priorities. This does not mean the product owner is the boss. Coordination between members of the same discipline takes place inside chapters. There is, for example, a chapter Data Analytics, a chapter Customer Journey Mortgages, a chapter Product Management Processes. Chapters determine how jobs should be tackled. The chapter lead is ultimately responsible for this, and also represents the hierarchy for squad members, taking responsibility for personal development, coaching, and the performance management cycle of individual squad members. The chapter lead will perform these duties in addition to their regular day-to-day job in their own squad. But if squads are self-steering and autonomous, how can we ensure coordination between squads? That is where tribes come in. A tribe is a collection of squads with interconnected missions. There is a tribe securities and private banking, a tribe mortgage services, etc. As a rule, a tribe contains fewer than 150 people, coordinated by the tribe lead. traditional boss of all tribe members, ensures that knowledge and insights are shared, establishes priorities, and allocates available budgets. The tribe lead also forms the interface with other tribes. And that's it. Well, almost. There is one more vital role, that of agile coach. The person who coaches individuals and squads and who helps them to grow and prosper. That, in a nutshell, is how most of ING head office will function in the future. Most, but not all. The agile approach involves flexibility in adapting to the needs of the moment. The forming of tribes is very much a tailor-made thing, dependent on specific goals and circumstances. And that is an approach that may not suit all business functions, and so a degree of trial and error will help us establish what does and does not work in practice. The agile approach is in itself agile and not cast in iron. That is what makes it such a valuable tool in achieving our goals.
Thank you. Jadi mungkin if I may use bahasa ya, Bapak Ibu. So I think the idea is basically agile ini terjadi pertamanya memang dimulai waktu banyak perusahaan software. Mereka banyak dapat input dari berbagai klien gitu ya, karena the input is very fast, sangat cepat. Tapi juga mereka perlu balik lagi ke klien mereka itu dalam waktu yang cepat. Gitu. Jadi mungkin ada beberapa mispersepsi gitu ya. Orang banyak ngomong agile ini cocoknya itu untuk perusahaan yang menggunakan teknologi tinggi, tapi sebenarnya tidak, karena core dari agile itu sebenarnya people and process, and you support with technology. Kalau misalnya people and process yang belum benar, tadi ada squad, tribe, and then chapter gitu ya, itu belum di set dengan benar, and also the agile coach itself belum ada, itu pakai teknologi apapun percuma. Nah makanya kami dari APINDO urge ke semua orang memang, terutama untuk mereka yang industrinya itu fast pace, yang cepat gitu ya, perlu punya inovasi dalam waktu yang cepat dan juga harus punya kasih respon yang sangat cepat dengan konsumen, to use agile. Kenapa? Karena memang ini sudah banyak terbukti bisa memberikan impact yang signifikan dari sisi kolaborasi, kemudian dari sisi impact ke bisnis, dan juga dari sisi impact ke teknologi efisiensi. Mungkin itu saja, dan saya ucapkan congratulations to the organizer of this summit, 𝐄𝐝𝐢𝐭𝐢𝐤 Indonesia. I'm hoping that everyone in this event will have a very great moment to be connected and also talking with the practitioners in this matter. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Mr.